Hey guys, in today's video I'm doing a video all about my favorite fall eyeshadow palettes. I picked out 5 today to show you and talk about. So yes, all these palettes are very like fall when you look at them, like it's a fall palette. So yes, if you want to see my favorite fall eyeshadow palettes, then just keep watching. Okay, so I think that Anastasia has a lot of good eyeshadow palettes and they're very like fall based in my opinion. Like most of her palettes are very fall-esque. Even though I said this video is gonna be only 5 eyeshadow palettes, I have 2 from Anastasia because this one has a little bit of like a bad rep. So first is the soft glam palette. This one is a lot more like natural, but it still is full of like a lot of deep brown shades, and you have some like deeper berry tone shades and like a cool green shade. But most of these colors are very fall and very warm browns. It's a very pretty palette for fall. And if you don't want to play with like a bunch of color but you still want your makeup to be kind of fall and very warm and deep, you can create like a super everyday makeup look, but you can also go into like the more deeper shades and create like a super dramatic warm makeup look, and I think it'll look really pretty and perfect for fall. This one is amazing for like an everyday fall person. Maybe you don't want to go like super dramatic with your eyeshadow, but you still want super warm shadows and like deeper purples and stuff like that. A good one. Oh, and then next up I have the Subculture palette, also by Anastasia. People said that shadows weren't very good. I personally don't think the shadows were that bad. I just barely tap into the pan and then it works fine. I like this palette mostly for the colors. Like this is the staple fall palette in my opinion. I love this palette. And I just wanted to mention it really quickly because although the formula isn't the 100% greatest, I just think it's a nice color story. And if you're looking for something like super fall, and there's a lot of dupes to this palette, so if you find one that like looks exactly like this, I think the colors are super fall. So just to mention that. I don't think Subculture is that bad. I kind of like it, so I wouldn't 100% recommend it, but I don't think it's bad. I got mine on sale, so that's why I have it in existence in my house, but I don't think I'd ever pay $42 for this palette. Only on sale. And then if you're looking for something that's like super warm orangey shades, this one is perfect. It's the Morphe 3502 palette. This one is a classic fall eyeshadow palette. Whoa. It's only like $23, I believe, and you get so many cool shades in this palette. What? Cool, they're warm shades. You get so many like different shades in this palette. You get 35 shades, and they're all very warm, fall, rich colors. I love this palette for fall. I love these like more burgundy shades in this row, and like the more simple shades down here with like a more simple look. It has everything you need for fall, and yes, really great formula for a really cheap price, and I just love the colors. I absolutely love this one for highlighting my inner corners. And you get like a bunch of red tones if you're looking for like a really red palette for fall. You can also create like more natural looks too with like this top row. But if you really want to go like deep and dramatic, you can use the bottom shades and it'll turn out amazing. And then I also have the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This one is newer to me, but I think it's a really good fall palette. Like, this one is amazing for fall. You get like more lighter shades for more natural looks, and then more colorful but still fall shades down here. You get like purples and some greens and blues that are like deeper tones. It's not like a summery blue. The only summery shade is this one, but it could be like a nice transition for these shades down here. I think it's really nice, and the formula is really good, and you do get a nice range of mattes and shimmers. So I love like these 4 shades for like that classic fall makeup look, and also like these cool tone blues and the greens. Like, you can create some really cool looks with this palette, and I think it's like a nice smoky palette. Yeah. And I also love the packaging of this. Like, it's so thick and heavy and like chunky. I like the wide range of colors you get. You get like a bunch of purples, blues, you get a green, you get pretty much everything in this palette. So I like it. And then I also have 2 from Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place comes out with a lot of like more summery kind of palettes. I wouldn't say that like they're too summery. They have a lot of like pops of color. It's like a very colorful brand, I mean, as you can tell by the packaging. But I think that these 2 are pretty fall based. This one is the Nubian 2. This one's like the more neutrally palette that Juvia's Place has. You do get a blue, which is like the pop of color in this palette, but it's like a deep, rich blue. So I think it's perfect for fall. And you also get these really pretty bronzy shades in this warm brown. It's really pretty. And you also get like a really warm yellow, and you get like 2 deeper purples. So I think it's a really nice fall palette from Juvia's Place that's not too colorful. So if you're wanting something from Juvia's Place but you don't want to be insanely colorful like some of the other palettes, then I think this is a really good option. Juvia's Place palettes are one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes of all time. They're very affordable, and I love the big pan size. and like the pigmentation on these is amazing. I love Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place is my absolute favorite eyeshadow formula brand in the whole entire world. So yes, I think this one's a really nice option. And then this one is the Magic palette, and this one is a little bit more poppy of like color wise, but for someone that doesn't want like super warm browns and like deeper purples for fall, if they want something like more colorful, this one is perfect because you get like a deep blue, deep greens, and then you get like these really warm brown and orangey shades. So I do think it's really good for fall as well if you want something that's like really dramatic and full of color. This one can kind of go either way, like summer and winter, but I feel like that this one is really fall. Like, that is such a pretty blue. Like, so yes, I really like this one for a colorful fall makeup look. Okay, so I did mention a little bit more than 5. I mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, I think that there's so many good eyeshadow palettes for fall, but these ones are my favorites. These are ones that I reach to and go for a lot when I'm thinking of like a really fall makeup look. I love these palettes for that, and I think they perform really well. So yes, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't subscribe and like it before you leave. And let me know down below kind of like fall videos you want to see from me, and maybe I will do them. So yes, I want to create like so many fall videos. See more videos from me. I upload Mondays and Fridays, most Mondays and Fridays. That concludes this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. My hair is literally insane. I tried to do like a, I don't know what this is called, but I wanted to play with something other than a ponytail. I don't know if I like it.